Are you familiar with cryptocurrencies? For your information, cryptocurrencies is a digital currency in which transactions are verified and records maintained by a decentralized system. Actually, this cryptocurrency thing has more value than dollar. Yes, you heard that right. Well, if you're interested, then I suggest you finish this video because this video is especially for you. This method is available worldwide and is applicable in 2021. Also, this video is completely free and this method is a new approach. That's why, make sure to get ready as we will be diving into the most special tutorial that you will ever hear and learn. I know you're excited, but before we dive into the tutorial, welcome to Online Cashflow, where we teach you how to make money online fast and easy. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will be always updated whenever I post new contents on how to make money online. Please like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions and or any suggestions. Now welcome to my screen. This is a specific website that we will be using for today and also will bring you that kind of money. This one allows you to earn money by viewing videos and completing other tasks, such as surveys and other similar activities. The About section will be the very first item you will see here. It claims that this website is a multi-crypto faucet, which allows you to decide how often you claim. This means that you can visit this website from time to time and exchange cryptocurrency. If you're familiar with cryptocurrencies, they are not just rewarding Bitcoin. Other cryptocurrencies are available on this platform as well, which I will show you shortly. It's also crucial to note that it is available for Android users and will be available for iOS too. So you can do this on your phone as well, which is great. However, the primary reason to visit their website is to use their crypto miner. You can use your crypto miner to mine crypto in the background while you do nothing, as stated here. They use a method that maximizes hash power, even unlimited threads, allowing you to mine on any device with high hash power. This is critical knowledge. It means you can receive the same results on your smartphone, not just laptops or computers. Furthermore, you may keep doing whatever you're doing well. This earns you money in the background. Keep in mind that using their crypto miner will have no negative impact on the performance of your device, so you have nothing to concerned about. Bitcoin is not only cryptocurrency accessible as previously stated. You can see on their homepage that they have a lot more to offer. I'll let you decide which one you think has the best chance of improving in the future. So you have a list of cryptocurrencies to choose from here. Right now, by clicking the sign up button, you'll then be prompted to provide some basic information, such as your username, email address, and password before checking the box indicating that you agree to their terms of service. Then after completing the CAPTCHA, click register. That's all there is to it. I'm going to my account now so that I can show you everything. Before we continue the tutorial, just a quick interruption, guys. For us to know each other better, down in the comments below, comment which device are you using from. Are you using an Android or an iOS? Now let's go back. This is how your dashboard will look once you log into your bank account. As you can see, this website has a leveling system in place where you can improve your benefits by leveling up. You will be able to do so by retaining your earnings. And the more often you do so, the faster you will level up, allowing you to earn more money. Your level 0, that changes once you begin the list of cryptocurrencies, can be found by scrolling down a little. However, not all of them will be available right away. They will become available as you progress through the levels. But for the time being, since you're at low level, you can use Bitcoin, which is the most popular of them all. You can also use Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, Stellar, Digibyte, and Dogecoin. For the time being, I'll concentrate on Bitcoin because that is the video's primary goal. This website is called es.btcnews.com. Now, if you earn on the left-hand side of this page, it displays all of your alternatives, and you get faucets, paid to click, videos, offers, miner, and bonuses. The faucet section will display all the cryptocurrencies you have in your account. It's now up to you to choose one of them. For now, I'll select Bitcoin and you will be directed to this website. If you click on it as well, you can see the balance up top and all. You have to do it to claim Bitcoin. Scroll down and click here to claim right here. It will then send you to a page where you can see how much Bitcoin you have claimed. This holds true for any cryptocurrency pick. Just do what I did a second ago. A word of advice. Use all of the categories on the site to maximize. Your revenue paid to click is one of them. This is about as simple as it gets. All you have to do is click the view site and you'll be paid. It's that easy. The amount you will receive will be displayed right here. The best thing is that these deals will refresh after some time has passed. So if you rent out, you may either wait while I finish some of the other offers while you wait for them to reappear. Choosing another operating video is one of the most effective ways to do so. You don't even have to view them. Simply click on watch videos and go about your business while still getting paid. The amount will be displayed once marked right here. Moving on to the next fantastic element of this website category. The miner is what will make you money in the long run, which is possibly the finest part of it all. All you have to do now is click the start button. It will begin earning you money, and that's all there is to it. This has no effect on the functioning of your device. This is also possible on your Android device, which is why you should concentrate on the miner in addition to faucets and videos. The next thought that comes to mind is, how are you going to get your money? It's actually quite straightforward. Simply to return to the dashboard, select my account from the drop-down menu. From there, it's up to you like any of these cryptocurrencies and select show details. For the time being, I'll only concentrate on Bitcoin. Another piece of advice is that whether or not you will pay transaction fees depends on the wallet you use. I recommend that you use Coinbase and visit Coinbase.com. Although you will require a greater minimum quantity of satoshis to receive your earnings, you will not be charged any transaction fees, which is fantastic. In this regard, registering a Coinbase account is completely free. To make one, simply get started in the upper right corner and follow the instructions. After doing so, will allow you to receive your earnings. So go ahead and do what I instructed on the first website and withdraw them away. And that's it. If this video helped you a lot, we appreciate you finishing it until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you will be updated on any videos that we will be uploading. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave any comments down below. Bye!